So it's your girl j.sym back with it, you feel me? And today I have a vlog style video where I show you how I went from this. Y'all don't judge me. Like, I feel like I'm definitely gonna put my do-rag back on before I go in the store because my hair is looking shush. This. Okay, but yeah, whatever I end up doing to this. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, just period. Yes. So you want to see how this hairstyle got this amazing color and just revamped my whole look for my big Jordan year, my year 23. If you feeling me, just stay tuned, watch the whole video. Thanks. Much better because the light is hitting and I don't look so dry and ashy as I did when I first started recording. But today I'm on my way to go get my hair professionally colored for the first time. Just got me some cash so I could tip her because I got a Groupon for a color, silk press, trim, decondition. You know, my mama hooked me up, so we finna go revamp this hair and we finna be looking juicy. I am so excited. So that's where I'm on the way right now. So yeah, I'm a little nervous to ask her when I don't want to sit there and let her record the process, or I don't want to be recorded that long either. But I'm gonna ask her, can I get a few clips of the process? So just stay tuned for that. I was saying I'm getting my hair professionally colored for the first time because last time I did it myself, which turned out great. But you know, I'm actually using bleach, and I was always scared to use bleach myself. So yeah, stay tuned because I hope it turns out as good as I'm picturing it in my head. I showed her how I wanted to look, and she was like, "Yeah, that's gonna be so pretty." I like, she know what she's doing. So we shall see. Just stay tuned. Because this is how my hair looks prior to. Hold on. I'm trying to get the back. Interesting.
It is.
Maybe one day. What up, you guys? Just checking in. I kind of want to explain a little bit what she was doing. Well, she bleached my roots and she did not bleach my ends because they have box dye on there and she did not want to touch that. And so I wanted this patch that you see that already got color on it. I wanted a patch of hair that was contrasted and lighter than the rest of the hair. So that's what's going on here. And the main goal of my hair, I just wanted dimension. Of course, I want the red burgundy-ish color, but I wanted dimension in my hair, so that's a big reason why I wanted that patch. Of course, some highlights and stuff. I really don't know what she did. I really just trusted her to do her best and like just give me some dimension. But she's gonna explain the rest of it. Well, what's the process you're doing right now?
So right now I'm just kind of going through it with my fingers and distributing the color everywhere. Making sure everything is coated.
The lighter color or?
Oh, this is the darker.
Okay.
This is the red, yeah.
Okay.
Alright. And we're gonna let it sit for a minute.
Okay. Sheesh. I'm excited though. Look at already though. It's bright. Can we say yes? Can we say yes? Yes, 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 yes. I love. I'm not gonna say this. No, I'm almost out of charge. Almost out of battery life. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. So you color both sides.
Well, I just ended up putting a little bit of that over here.
What's that?
I got pickup.
Wait, I have my own clients now. Yes, and I love the dimension.
Little did they know that the case is about
Yes,
to
I'm very satisfied.
For weeks, police have
Yes, Hunty. I just want to say periods. Cause I was trying to take pictures, but I figured I'd just do a video because they're not turning out all that cute, but baby, my hair is still okay. Sorry, I keep hitting the table. Let me back up just a little bit, but my hair still looks good. Trying to make sure I block my bed, have stuff on it. I'm about to try and wrap my hair, you guys. This looks so good. I'm so excited. It turned out so good. Okay. But the lady told me that wig caps are key to keeping a silk press to last. First, let's see, do I know? Really see like the color, there's between the color. I have it wrapped for real. So pretty. Now, I do want to say this is the only night I did this. I just wanted to include the footage because it was some advice that the stylist had given me. I really feel like this method more so works for hair that has, one, you've been silk pressing it for a while, and two, is longer, because the ends of my hair were poking through the wig cap, but my hair is shorter, so that makes sense. I think I'm going to do ragged, so dang, I let that do ragged. Right. Whoa, you'll see it in the morning when I take it down. Look, so boom, what happened was I did not like the way it looked when I took it down, so I had to put some more heat on it the next day. But this is like 2 days later, and I decided to flexi rod it so I wouldn't put any more heat on it, but I still wanted some curls. So I showed you I used Miss Aunt Jackie's curl cocktail. I really love her products. I just used some of that to put some more moisture to my hair. And then I added these flexi rods in, so you can just watch how I did that. And I'm also going to insert some clips of how my hair looked over the next few days, and especially after it looked when I first took this down. So yeah, Flexi Rods be coming in real clutch because I only had these in for a couple of hours, and it gave me a few hours of some like volume and some body, and I'm not mad at that because I just had to go to my brother's baseball game, so I just want to look a little decent for that. I am still watching and learning how to like style my hair and like style curls and Flexi Rod curls and all the different types of curls. So yeah, this is just me like experimenting, and like I know you gotta comb out and rake and feather the curls and everything, so that's what I'm doing right here. So y'all really can just learn with me on my channel for real.
Dick, a poke, go, no, bro, you can't hang with gang, that's a no.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and coming on this journey of this transformation of my hair with me. Like I said, I'm still in love with my hair. It's been a week and a half, a little bit more than a week, and I'm just loving this color. It's already starting to grow out, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and go watch some more videos on my channel. Thank you.